This aerial tramway operated in the 1920s and 1930s, carrying ore from the mine on Treasure Hill to Godby Mill, built by the Pioche Mines Company. And it went up and over that hill, and then down where we just were, down to the Boot Hill Cemetery. And a lot of these old mine trams dot the wilderness out here. Gold was big, but here they weren't mining gold, they were mining iron ore.
Silver.
And sometimes silver. Mine shafts all over. Welcome to Off-Road Travels. Hey, we're going into Condor Canyon, a restoration project. We are in Condor Canyon, driving down these trails through here. Absolutely cool.
So, I gotta do a little spiel on this one. So Condor Canyon is very, very, very rarely known, even throughout our residence here in Lincoln County. If you do come out here to visit, this entire area is in restoration. And after you go to a certain point, you will see signs that say private property. Do not cross those signs. Definitely don't mess with their gates. Come out here and leave it as it is, because there are very rare fish that will be extinct soon if they're not taken care of. And come out here and enjoy. You can camp out here. And it's a beautiful area. Please come enjoy it. Just please take care of it. was a old charcoal oven, probably from the 1800s. And what they did was they used that to make charcoal. They would, if you go inside, there's a big fireplace that they would actually cook the rock, I guess, to make charcoal.
Wow.
That's neat. And made all of it. It is so cool looking.
So, at the end of this canyon, there is the foundations of an old mining camp. And that's what we were just showing you with the drone. Beautiful little hidden gem. Next time. Short video. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And you just been on off-road travels in Nevada.